There are several ways to access your DoorDash spending history and see exactly how much you've spent on food delivery. You can access your spending data through three main methods: the mobile app, the website, or your email receipts. The mobile app provides the most comprehensive access to your spending history. Open the app, go to your profile, and select Orders or Order History. You can filter by date ranges like the last 30 days, 3 months, or set a custom period. Tap on individual orders to see detailed receipts with all costs broken down. The website method offers similar features with the added benefit of data export options. Sign in to DoorDash.com, click your profile icon, and select Orders. A key advantage of the website is the ability to export your data as a CSV file for spreadsheet analysis, making it perfect for detailed budget tracking. Your email contains individual receipts for every DoorDash order. Search for DoorDash receipt to find all your order confirmations. Each receipt shows a detailed breakdown of food costs, delivery fees, tips, and taxes. While this method requires manual calculation, it provides the most detailed view of individual orders. All methods provide essential features like date range filtering, detailed receipts, and spending summaries. The website additionally offers CSV export for advanced analysis. Understanding your DoorDash spending starts with knowing what makes up each order. Every DoorDash order consists of several components that add up to your total cost. Service fees typically range from 10 to 15% of your subtotal, while delivery fees usually cost between $1.99 and $4.99 per order. The average DoorDash user spends between $67 and $85 per month. This translates to roughly 2 to 3 orders per week for most regular users. To effectively manage your spending, you can export your order history as a CSV file for detailed analysis. This allows you to track patterns and identify areas where you can reduce costs. Here's a real success story. A college student discovered she was spending $340 per month on DoorDash. By setting a monthly limit of $150 and tracking her expenses, she reduced her spending by 60% over 3 months. To manage your own DoorDash spending effectively, consider setting monthly spending limits within the app, enable notification features to track your progress, and regularly review your order history to identify patterns and opportunities for savings.